Good afternoon, Ethan.
Afternoon.
Ethan, I've got a really good surprise to you today. Mummy, when I used to live in the Philippines, Mummy's got this favourite food. Yeah, and I want you to try it. You ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And open your eyes.
No, I'm a little bit full. I like it.
You like it? But here you go then. Eat it then.
I like it as my friend.
Pardon?
I like it as my friend.
You can't like it as your friend. It's a chicken feet. Do you think people in the Philippines should eat chicken feet because it's so yummy? What's your message to all the people that loves chicken feet in the Philippines?
Please don't eat it because I really like it. It's being my friend right now. You're a bit hot.
Do you want to kiss it again for the last time and then your friends, and then that will seal your friendship? Okay, just kiss.
We couldn't just like cool down my tongue.
Okay, here you go.
Oh,
Oh, you're so nice. You're a good friend. You're a good friend, Ethan Richmond. And then. So what are we going to do with this chicken feet?
We are gonna plant it.
Plant the chicken feet. And what does that do?
It makes it live again, so it does like this. And it goes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until it reaches the size of it, and then it grows the arms.
So if you plant
And it actually grows that feet.
So if you plant the chicken feet, it will grow into a chicken, is it? Oh.
That's what I learned.
But I've already cooked it.
Mummy, the cooking will go in the dirt.
Is it? But I love it. Can I just eat one finger?
No, then are you sure? Because look, the chicken will grow. No, the chicken will grow, yeah, but only 1 feet.
Just a little bite then.
No, no, because look, it'll do this.
Yeah, but how about just this bit here? Just the big one.
No,
Why?
I like it.
Here you go, then eat it then if you like.
No, I like it. Normal, not cooked and ew.
What are you going to do with it?
We're gonna make it live again. Stop, Bella.
Isabella, do you want to try it?
No.
Do you think if we plant this one, it's going to live again? Do you think so?
Yeah.
Hey, who told you this? Who told you this, that if we plant the chicken feet, it will become a chicken?
I just know.
I think it's outside. What are we going to do, Ethan?
We're gonna plant it. This our big where we're planting it.
Yeah, but I really want to eat it.
Mommy.
Why are we going to plant it, Ethan?
I think you can just plant
So
it
we
here
can
on the
live
pot.
again. So we can live again. Don't put it in the pot because the chicken will be stuck.
What if you just do the the end bit where you're holding? You just stick it on the soil and then that's it.
No,
Oh, really?
you have to plant it. We have to put water.
But
Yeah.
Ethan, don't you think it's a bit of a waste? That's Mummy's dinner.
But we have to do it.
Okay, you do it in there then.
No, why don't we do it in the glass so we can
You do it the other way around.
Why don't you do it, Mummy?
No.
Can I do it?
Okay.
Ethan. Why?
Other way around, Bella Bing.
Let me see. Don't put it in the pot because it'll be stuck. Let me put it there. It's right there.
And what are we going to achieve by doing this?
We're going to make it live again. So first of all, just stick it. Don't dump it in the dirt. So put it there. Make sure it's tight.
Trying.
So,
There we go.
So then we can plant it.
So that's okay?
Yeah.
And what's going to happen to it?
It's going to grow. First of all, it won't grow if you don't put water.
Right.
So
And-
why?
So you want to water it? Okay.
Why don't you water it every day and see if it grows?
Okay?
This is silly. I think this is silly.
No, Mummy, I'll have to go for a very long time, Bella. I'll have to go for 10 days. 10. Okay. Ah.
Here. Okay.
Just make. I think
That's
that's
finished?
enough.
Okay. Why don't you want to put more? Because
Because it'll over-drown.
it will drown.
Yeah.
Okay, are you happy?
Yeah, we're just gonna plant these ones.
Are you happy now? Come on, let's go inside. It's
I'm
cold.
gonna plant these ones.
Okay, say bye everyone. I'll check in 3 days again. Come on then.
No, I said 10 days.
Okay.
I'll see you
Say-
in 10 days.
Are you happy?
Oh, Mama. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So have you got a message to people who love chicken feet again?
Please do this so they can live again if you feel sorry.